Yes, good morning, beta. Today we are going to start with the revision of rational number chapter. You all know that we have finished our syllabus. Syllabus we have already finished. And in this coming week, means tomorrow on Tuesday, it's your test day. So you have test of your practical geometry, first two exercise. Got it? First two exercise test is there tomorrow at 5 p.m. You will get your questions and you will solve them, and on the next day you will get your answer key and you will check your answer, and if you will still have any doubt, we will discuss the doubts in the class. Now let's start with the revision. So this question reduced to the standard form. Yes, who will tell me? Khushi? Yes, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, 1/5.
Yes. What do you mean by standard form, beta? What do you mean by standard form?
Ma'am, lowest form.
Yes, in the standard form, you will cancel out the terms and make sure that the remaining terms have not any other factor except 1. Okay. So if you cancel out minus with minus, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So your answer become 1/5. That already Samriddhi has told you. Now, the numbers used for counting objects are called natural number, whole number, integers. Yes, Akshat? Khushi? Guneet? Yes, anyone?
Whole numbers.
Counting object.
Natural.
Answer will be natural number, because whole number includes 0, and for counting the numbers you need numbers from 1. So that's why it will be, the answer will be natural number. Solve this, reduce to the standard form. Can you tell me the another name of standard form? Yes, Jasleen? Another name of standard form.
Simplest form.
The another name of standard form is lowest form, reduced form, simplest form. So cancel it out and the answer will be yes, Sanya. Namya.
6/4. Ma'am, can I tell?
What?
T/2.
Minus 3/2. B answer is correct. The fractions are in the form of denominator upon 0, numerator upon denominator, denominator upon numerator.
Numerator upon denominator.
Yes. Is the first option can be answered?
No, ma'am.
Because the special condition is there that for the fractions and for the rational number, denominator should not be 0. Lakshay, stop doing this. Next is equivalent number to minus 2/7. Yes, who will tell me how you will find equivalent numbers? How you will find equivalent numbers? Angel, Arush, Nonihal, Jalash, Aryan.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Drishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak up.
-4/14.
I said how you will find equivalent rational numbers. Can you tell me the procedure?
Ma'am, we will multiply both the numbers with 2.
With 2, with 3, with 4, then you will get equivalent rational numbers or equivalent fraction. So the answer is first part, -4/14. Is it okay? And listen one more thing. Today I will send you the assignment of rational number chapter. 10 MCQs are there. So you will all solve that MCQs. That is for the practice. And if you will find any doubt in that, we will discuss it in the next class. Okay. So today I will send you the MCQs of this chapter. Is it clear, beta? Any doubt? Next is write the correct symbol. -5/7 or 2/3. Which one is greater? Yes. Who will tell me? Yes, Hardik Uppal, Nandini. Nandini, Manraj. What's the method to see which one is greater? Actually, positive number 2/3 is positive, and positive number is always greater than the negative number. So this is obvious that 2/3 is greater than -5/7. But we have one particular method for this. Can you tell me the method?
We will find the LCM.
One way is to find the LCM, and we have one another method. Yes, Himanshi?
Cross multiplication.
Yes, very good. Cross multiplication. Whose name I am taking, they will only answer. Whenever you will get the chance, then you can answer. Yes, Kushi? -5/11 and -5/11. Yes, Kushi?
Ma'am is equal to.
Yes, they are equal because both the numbers are same with same sign. Write correct symbol. 0 -7/6. Yes, Akshita, very good. New students are giving response. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, C option.
C option. Yes, 0 is greater than -7/6. 0 is neither positive nor negative, but -7/6 is negative. So obviously that number is greater. Yes, Guneet. Next answer. Additive inverse of 4/7.
Ma'am, -4/7.
Yes, exactly. It's -4/7. Now everybody solve this 13th question. Shriya, what you are doing, beta?
Can I tell answer?
Yes, everybody solve this question. How find the product? Yes,
Ma'am, can I
Akshita.
tell answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, 6/5.
Ma'am, 6/55.
The terms will not cancel out because they don't have anything common. So you will just directly multiply. Answer is 6/50.
6/.
Yes. Solve this. How you will divide? How you will divide the terms?
Ma'am, first we will reciprocal 3/4.
You will make reciprocal of?
3/4.
Yes. You will make reciprocal of the second term. That will be.
Ma'am, then divide sign will change into multiplication.
Answer will be
-1/.
minus. Yes. -1/6. A option. Yes, one by one I will ask from you people. Yes, Lakshay. Find the product of this. Solve this. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. इसका होगा रेसिप्रोकल 1 4 into 9/7 minus. Ma'am, -63/8.
Yes, C answer. C is correct. Okay. Now next, Lakshay, mute yourself. Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, -1.
Reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal means you will shift the numerator in denominator and denominator in the numerator. So reciprocal of 1 is, now can you tell me the two numbers which are same as their reciprocal? Yes, Khushi. Can you tell me the two numbers which are same as their reciprocal? Khushi, I have unmuted you. Khushi,
Yes.
can you tell me the two numbers which are same as their reciprocals?
Ma'am, 0.
No. Can you make the reciprocal of 0? It's not defined. Reciprocal of 0 is not possible because 0 upon 1 is the number. When you make reciprocal, it will be 1 by 0, which is not defined. Arpita, Rihanika, Jasleen, Prabnu. Yes, anyone from these 4 students? Arpita?
Yes.
Yes, Arpita. What is the reciprocal of 1?
Ma'am, can I tell?
What?
Ma'am, -1.
It's a reciprocal of 1, I am asking. Mitul?
One.
Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Can you tell me the two numbers which are same as their reciprocal? Yes, Harman.
1 and -1.
Yes, Harman, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am. Question repeat करना.
Can you tell me the two numbers which are same as their reciprocals?
Ma'am, 1.
And -1. 1 and -1. Earlier, who has given me this answer? It was correct. Yes, next is Sanya. Mitul. Yes, Sanya, can you answer this question? 17. 4 by 5 is a rational number. Can you tell me what is P and Q here?
Ma'am, P is equal to 4 and Q is equal to 5.
What is P by Q called? What is P by Q here? It is the form of a rational number. It is a form of a rational number. Now, next is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a positive rational number, negative or none? Yes, Namya. Angel. Aryan. Jalash. Anmol.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. 2 by 3 is a positive rational number, negative or none?
Ma'am, 2 by 3 is a positive rational number.
Okay, who is this beta?
Ma'am, Jalash.
Okay. Anmol. -2 by -5.
Ma'am, negative rational number.
Who is this beta? Who is Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol, it is not negative beta. Minus minus will cancel out. It will become positive. It's a positive rational number. Next, yes, Sarvyapak, Aryan.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta. 0.
Neither positive nor negative rational number.
Yes, it is neither positive nor negative. Yes, Arshia, answer the next question. What will be the next number in this pattern?
Ma'am, 4 over 12.
Minus
4 over 12.
Yes, it's -4 over 12. Have you seen this? -1, -2, -3, next will be -4. And in the denominator, you have, what is this? In the denominator,
Table of
Multiples of
Yes, it's they are multiple of 3. So you will write the next multiple, that is 12. Okay. Now do this. You have to arrange it in the ascending order. For the ascending order, you will start from the lowest term. Yes, Samriddhi, Guneet. Can you tell me the ascending order of this?
minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5.
Is she correct?
ma'am, minus 3 by 5, comma, minus 2 by 5, comma, minus 1 by 5, ma'am, because in integers, the biggest number is lower.
Actually, in ascending order, you will start from the lowest term. So out of minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3 is the smallest of all the 3. So this will come first, then this, then this. Okay. Now do this question. What should be added to 7 by 12 to get 5 by 15 as answer? Hurry up. Who will tell me? Ashima, can you tell? Akshit? Arpita? Rihanika? How you will solve this? I'm not asking about the answer. You please just tell me the procedure. What you will do with these two terms, either you will add them, subtract them, multiply them, or divide them to get your answer. What should be added to this term?
Ma'am, we will subtract 7 over 12 minus 5 over 15.
7 over 12 from 5 by 15. Okay. Now everybody solve this. Do the calculations. Yes, Jasleen, can you tell me the answer? Yes, Akshita.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer when you subtract 7 by 12 from 5 by 15?
Ma'am, A option minus 19 upon 60.
Sure. Have you checked that? Okay, very good, beta. Thank you. Now, reduce term to the... Yes, everybody, please solve the earlier question. Solve this. Do the calculations. Mithul, can you answer next question? Samya? Yes, everybody mute your... Arush, Himalaya, Vaibhav, Manraj, Tanya,
Minus 7 by 11.
okay. You have cancelled it out with 9. So answer is your B part. Next, dash is the identity for addition.
0.
0 is the identity for addition. Yeah, 0 is called additive identity. Which of these is the positive term? It's very easy. There are only 5-6 students who will answer. What about the rest of the class? They all are sleeping.
Ma'am, A option.
Who is this?
Ma'am, Vaibhav.
Yes, Weber.
Ma'am, A option.
Okay, Weber, answer the next question also. The product of two rational number is always... आप कोई भी दो रैशनल नंबर दे के देखो, आंसर देखो क्या आता है, इंटीजर आता है, रैशनल, नेचुरल या होल नंबर?
Ma'am, rational.
What?
Ma'am, rational.
Yes, yes. product of two rational number is always rational. Can you tell me the name of this property? Anyone? The product of two rational number is always rational. Can you tell me the name of this property? Akshita.
Closure property.
Yes.
Closure property.
Yes, very good. It's closure property of multiplication. Now, this question has come that I have already asked, that the numbers that are their own reciprocals. Who will tell me this question?
-1.
1 and -1.
Minus. Sanya, can you answer any question? If you are willing to give answer, I want you to answer me.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Sanya, answer the next question. Which of the following represent the same rational number? Check it out. Which of these pair is same? Cancel out the terms and see which one is giving you correct answer, same answer.
Ma'am, A option -7 over 21 and 1/3.
First option. Okay, very good, beta. Do the next question. Yes, Aryan, Angel, Himalay, Aryan, Anmol. Answer the next question. The product of two numbers is given, one number is given, find the other number.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम आंसर में तो वो डी ऑप्शन बता रहे हैं
Which question, beta?
मैम 30th क्वेश्चन
Yes, answer is D. Because in the first part you are having negative and this is positive. So D option is okay. Start the next. Two numbers are having their product as this number. One number is 4, find the other number. Let the other number be X. Get the value of X. Hardik. Samya, on your video, beta. I want to see you on your video. Otherwise, I am going to remove you from the class. Because it's very few time that you enter the class. I think in the 1 week, you are just attending 1 or 2 classes. On your video, otherwise, I am going to remove you from the class. Samya, Tanya,
Yes, ma'am.
who is this?
Ma'am, Tanya.
Yes, Tanya, give me the answer of the question. How you will solve question number 31?
Yes, ma'am. Wait a second. Ma'am, I'm solving. Ma'am, please wait a second.
What?
Ma'am, please wait a second. I'm solving.
Okay, I'm waiting. Yes, rest of the student, please solve the next question to get your answer. What you have to do in this question number 33? What is the average of the two middle rational number? Yes, who will tell me this? No one is there. What is the average of the two middle rational number if these are arranged in ascending order? Arrange them in ascending order. Then whatsoever answer you will be getting, you will add two middle terms and you will make half of that. Average means दो numbers का sum करके you will divide them with 2. Then you will get the answer out of these. Please arrange them in ascending order. Yes, everybody. Leave this. Do the next question, 34. Do question number 34. The similar type of question we have already done. This question number 33 we will do at the end of this quiz, so that you will be all expert to do this type of question. Now we needed a lot of practice, so let me discuss all these questions first, then we will do that question also. We will not leave it. Find x from this. Cross multiply this, minus will cancel out.
$56.
50. Okay, good. Yes, the rational number 9 by 1 is in integer. 9 by 1 in integer form.
B option 9.
Yes, B option, that is 9. What is the result of this? What do you mean by this question? What you have to do in this? Minus, plus is there. You have to simplify this. Take LCM. Take LCM of this question and get the answer. Take LCM of 39 and 26. Both are in the table of 13. Both are the multiples of 13. Take LCM of 39 and 26. It will be 78. LCM will be 78. LCM of 39 and 26 is 78. So B option will be, I think, correct. Okay. So no need to solve. You can just simply see in the denominator. First can be the answer. ठीक है, तो आपको solve करके देखना पड़ेगा. वैसे ये आ गया. इसमें 76 है, इसमें 98 है. So out of first two option you can have your answer. Associative property is not followed in. Actually, commutative property is applicable only in case of addition and multiplication, and same associative property is for three numbers, that is applicable for addition and multiplication, and it is not applicable in case of, yes, integers में applicable, whole number में, इसमें applicable नहीं है. Answer is yes, Jasleen.
Rational numbers.
Rational number, okay. Natural number is the answer. आप एग्जाम्पल लेके करके देखना ये क्वेश्चन. Out of these, which is not a rational number? ये नेगेटिव है. रैशनल नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव एज वेल नेगेटिव. ये हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. लास्ट बी ऑप्शन, इट कंटेन रूट. तो रूट वाली टर्म जो है, इट इज नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर. ओके बेटा.